What's good, YouTube? It's DDEB Life. I'm here with Erica right now. Of course, me, D-High, Darian, whatever you call. We're going to be reacting to DMB Nation's firecracker prank that Bianca did on Damien. I have not watched this yet. I'm sure Erica hasn't watched it. We also have a guest feature. Daisy in the cut, whatever you want to call her. Let's get this video started.
What's good, YouTube? You already know what it is. It's your girl Bianca, and I am back once again, guys, with another prank on Damien. So right now I have Damien. Can you say hi?
She stayed trying to prank him though.
He's so cute.
Say shh. Okay, guys. So right now,
camera is amazing.
This is like 12 o'clock, and then he still has yet to wake up. I've been trying to wake him up. So me and DJ, we decided to go out.
Bro, their new house is crazy.
Firecrackers. And if you guys watched us a while ago, when I was pregnant,
yeah, I've seen this one.
And this is, you know, he put this like a pan to wake me up. So I decided.
I think she pissed on herself too.
July, you know, they're selling fireworks.
She's pregnant.
Selling fireworks.
She was pregnant at the time. Yeah. We got another kid.
DJ said he's not ready. I'm not really ready. I'm not really ready either. I'm kind of scared because these things are super loud and it's in our house.
You know, Aunt bought them.
4th of July. But if you guys are ready, call me and let's get like 50,000 likes and I'll bring Damien again. Let's go.
They doing them jumps inside the house too.
Also, guys, make sure you guys go subscribe to our family channel. That will be in the description, guys, down below. We do daily vlogs, daily uploads, daily DIYs, daily cooking videos. We do a whole bunch of stuff on our channel. So, guys, make sure you guys click the link in the description down below. Don't forget to
She did a
subscribe.
cooking video.
Let's get ready. Let's crank it.
Yeah, they didn't turn it up to a new level, huh? She a fool. Sneezing? Bad, huh? Oh, bruh. He about to piss on himself.
She played too much.
She do. My prank be alright though. He fell down the stairs. You like Corey? Oh, he grabbed the 30.
This music is
He think it's a shootout. She right. Oh yeah, she played too much. That's the camera off. It's like 1,000.
Boy, he looking over. He was running.
I couldn't hold my laughing.
Daisy. Hey, relax.
I'm so sorry. I'm shaking.
He hurt.
Oh my god.
He hurt.
Are you okay? What's the matter? Are you okay? It's just a prank. Okay, so he's looking. Please look at this. It stinks in here. Look at all this.
Well, it
She
smell like gunpowder.
did.
Oh,
He did it to her though
it's everywhere. It's foggy in here.
when she was pregnant.
Oh my god. You guys don't know how scared I was. Where'd Damien go?
She running out.
She only like 19, 20 though.
You heard it?
My sprained ankle.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I forgot all about it. I'm sorry. It was just a prank video.
She played too much.
Do you want some medicine? I'm shaking, guys. Do you want some medicine?
He had a sprain. I'm not gonna play with her.
He ain't had like no ankle wrap or nothing around it. I guess it was just fine.
Are you okay?
My boy
What did you think
is.
happened?
So
But he wasn't even limping though when he was grabbing
So what
that
was you about to
gun.
do?
Hilarious.
I got so scared. I ran. I wanted to see how you was gonna get up, but so wait, let me ask you this one question. Was that a good prank?
yeah, it was good.
Huh? Ooh, that's
Only
so
'cause he did
sick.
to her
Was that a good
first.
prank?
That bed is hard.
You're not
Killing
gonna answer
me
me.
with this music.
Just know prank wars are on.
And see, the guys always do the most too much.
What you gonna do?
Nah, but his don't be
Let me
nothing
know.
I
compared
don't
to
really be
hers.
watching theirs,
Ooh,
but
that stuff stinks.
What's this, firecrackers?
Yeah.
he said, "What's this for?"
Oh, you got it. Clean that up.
No, you have to clean it up. That's the only way I can get you to wake up.
Yeah, you got the other camera right here.
Y'all, I have another one. Want me to show you where another one's at? I have another one out there on the kitchen table.
That's how you feel.
He said, "That's how you feel."
Oh, you limping and stuff? I'm so sorry. You see it over there in the
What's somebody
corner?
woke you up to sleep like that?
Oh my god. My hand is still shaking. I don't know why.
I don't know why either.
Yeah, you gonna talk to them or no? You don't got nothing to say.
This music is hilarious.
Just know, Team Damien all day, every day. No prank wars at all.
I'm breathing so heavy. Y'all don't understand how
She
scared
acting
I
like
was.
she got pranked.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, guys. Well, make sure you guys go see on the comment section TV all day, every day, because that was the best prank ever. And like I said, let's get 50,000 likes, and I will definitely prank Damien again. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Bianca's out. Peace.
So yeah, man, that was definitely a crazy prank. It was hilarious. Bianca, Team Bianca, all day, because her pranks are actually better than Damien's. Just a personal opinion. She goes all out for it. If y'all have any other suggestions or any other videos y'all want us to react to, just leave them down below in the comment section. And we do this. We're going to be trying to do this on at least twice a week basis. We're going to try to react to a video at least twice a week. At least make 2 or 3 videos a week. So continue to comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, we do this every day, man.
What was that?
Yeah, nothing to say.
What was that? You supposed to like...
I know, but I'm saying I thought